Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Richard CHANEY channel. I want to keep you updated on the Artic blast that's coming in for next week. It's going to be bringing in a lot of snow, sleet, rain, freezing rain, all mixed together. So it's going to be a bunch of cold air on top of snowing and the rain, changing the freezing rain and changing the ice. And there's going to be a lot going on here. So that's what I want to keep you updated on. And it's cold today. So, but like I said, I want to keep you updated on the next Artic blast that's coming through next week. So, like I said, it's going to be bringing in rain, freezing rain, sleet, ice, snow, and it's going to be bringing it in through all of the states. So it's coming in out of Canada, headed towards the United States. So, like I said, we're right in the middle of it. So, I'm going to try to stay warm when this next Artic blast comes, and trying to stay warm now because it's cold, and it's going to be much colder when the Artic blast comes. So, like I said, plus with the snow, sleet, freezing rain, ice, the temperatures is going to feel a lot more colder than what they are. So there's going to be a lot of zeros, a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 degrees. So I'm going to try to stay warm as much as possible, and trying to stay warm now. Like I said, I wanted to keep you updated on that. And if you're new to the channel, I do collection videos here. Do not forget, all items is in mint condition. In order to have nice items, take care of your items, and your items will last. Most of all, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. And like I said, I've got lots planned for this month, next month, following month, and the following month. Plus, I got more Christmas gifts to show. But right now, I'm trying to keep you up to date in the Artic blast and snows and stuff that we're going to be getting throughout January. And each month there will be a new item coming in, but that will be at the end of each and every month. No, it will not be the same item. Something different each time. And no, none of the items is for sale. And always remember to always like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video right here on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.